Welcome back, guys. It is Friday morning out at Southeastern Truck Nationals. Tons of trucks already here. It's going to be a hot one today, but there are some beauties strolling in, so we're going to walk around, check them out, see if we can find a couple featured trucks to look at. We're definitely going to check out Camden Square Body. We got it winched in here last night. Well, we're out here with Camden's 83 Square Body.
Yeah, man.
And we've got it out here. We did get it somewhat finished. It starts, moves 20 feet, and stops.
Got real close. Had a radiator issue right there at the end and tried to pick one up here and just didn't match. So clamped them hoses and winch her out, back her in and shut her down.
Hey, but it's out here looking good for its debut, so.
Absolutely.
Give me the rundown on this thing real short.
So real quick, man, we had a huge shout out to Heart Fab. The inner fenders are phenomenal, well built. LS Fab with their firewall patch, absolutely love it. Holly Performance, that high ram and those two-piece valve covers in the Valley turned out phenomenal. LMC got all the grill pieces and parts. That's a great place, man. Loved all their stuff. Had it all color-coded, painted. US Mag wheels, two-tone. Everything's got a simple tie. Ties in together, little accents here and there. We absolutely love it. Still got to do interior, but so happy with it so far.
Yeah, it really ties in together, so I love the root beer and cream under the hood. It's just enough, so.
Yep, the truck's name is Root Beer Float.
Hey guys, we're out here with Square Body Gear, and we have Sarah, and this is her new truck. We saw this at C10s in the city, and it is a beautiful truck. We gotta get the rundown on it. So
yeah, all right, so we bought it in November 2020, and it took a long time to get it up and going. I was bald and had cancer at the time, so Rick got me these cool billet badges with the
they're awesome
breast cancer ribbon on it. And then, let's see, AMD arranged a partnership with McGoy's, so it's got a 5.7 drop on it installed by How's It Doing Garage. He actually did a lot of work on it. Detroit Steel gave us these wheels. They're 20 by 8 in the front, 20 by 11 in the back with 3¼ inch back space. I think what makes them unique is that we had them powder coated like a chrome.
Yeah, they look awesome. And then the little insert color ties it all in.
Yeah. Yeah, and then so the inside is copper, so you can see the copper through these little windows. They clear coated it, and then Zach at Hooks Detailing ceramic coated the whole truck, including the wheels, which I think turned out super cool. AMD gave us almost every little piece of trim that you have here, so bumpers, all interior pieces. The dash bezel is from them. All these pieces inside, wrapped by Phil Cato. He did the seat as well. And then Fernando at Atlanta Stitchworks did the inserts for the doors.
Oh, they're awesome.
Yeah. Tint is from Performance Window Tinting, last out in Carrollton.
Did he?
Shout out to them.
Yeah, one of the best guys out there. What else?
Yeah?
Ooh,
What color?
I know. I'm just so excited to have it out on the road.
Get some miles racked up on it.
Oh, yeah.
We'll see it out in more shows. So,
Yep.
all right, guys.